So here's KALSHI app bet the 2024 election. Is one of the top betting apps specifically focused on politics. It claims it is the only regulated American prediction market that allows you to trade predict Donald Trump with Kamala Harris, the biggest market of the year only at KALSHI. So you can trade presidential election result for each state from California and Florida to the swing states. So not only that, but then you can also use it for all other categories like election, financials, economics, climate, culture, obviously politics. Yeah, so that's the idea. Then you can just read it here. And yeah, this is just how it looks like. You need to create an account and you need to enter your social security number. This app only available for US residents. And that's how it looks like. I like the really easy design, super easy to use. You also get a $20 bonus when you start the trade. And then, for example, this is how it looks like. Who will win the presidential election? So Kamala Harris, if you say yes and bet like $50 right now, you will your payout will be plus $78 and $128 for it, because in this app there is 39% chance. If you say no, that it will be Donald Trump, your payout will be just only $30 because 62% chance that Donald Trump wins. So then you just have it here. And then not only that, you just have your Senate, all the different politics questions, all the voting by states. And you need to first add your funds. You get in $20 bonus if you deposit in $100 or more. So I guess that's a really good option to start. Just deposit funds, and then again, you need to enter your SSR number to get started and complete the registration. And after you also traded your first dollars, you can also unlock referrals and basically invite friends. So here you have your account and security. You can also delete your account. You see your activity. You can see your transfer. You can do a bank transfer, wire transfer, crypto, and then settings. So yeah, that's the idea here. That's just what you have. You can search for trending bets. You can see biggest movers, new closing. So yeah, all the different categories. So that's the idea here. So as you can see, that's just what it is. So yeah, that's the app in a nutshell. Try it out.